Hello there. I'll just walk you through what this project actually is. So, in a college, if a president of a club wants to host an event, he has to take care of two things. First of all, he has to get the approval of the dean of academics, the mentors, and another concerned authorities. And along with that, he also has to take care of things like if the event is not clashing with any other committees, or if some examination is not held on those days, are the rooms available, those type of things. Now, the current process of doing this is very manual and it's not automated, and a lot of mishaps happens because of this. So we have created a solution named Clubhive. In this, what you can do, you can organize hackathons, all the other types of events, and the user will be able to register for any of the event through here. Like all of the hosted events are shown here. And if I click on, as you can see, the registration fee is 100. If I click on register, I would just have to pay the fee, and after paying the fee, I will be registered for that specific event. Now, this is the calendar. Now, what you can do in the calendar now, just ignore this as we are using a package uh, which is paid, but we are using a trial version because of fund issue, obviously. Now, if I try to add an event, like let's say you want to add some reminder, you have registered in some event and you just want to add a reminder. Let's say Oculus Fest is happening on this day, and you can just add it to your calendar, and all the other hackathons you have registered will also be shown here. Like if I register in any of the hackathon here, it would be shown in my calendar. Now, currently I'm logged in as an admin, so if I go to profile, this is the page for admin. Now, what you can do now, let me just explain. This is the main part. From here, you can add committees, presidents, users. You can get approval. You can create events. You can host meeting. Everything is done from this side. Now, what you can do, you can just add a user by giving the username, let's say Aditya, and his let me just give it 23 because I've made one previously. And let's say he's a dean of academy. I will just browse the file, picture, and let's say I just upload my image. So add user. Now, in some time, the user will be added. Okay, 404. Successful, please fill all the fields. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. The thing is, let me just do it. The backend is very slow right now. This image upload takes a lot of time, like as it is a free trial backend. I will just add it now. Now, as you can see, it's added. So now let's go on to our community section. In the community, you can add a committee by just giving the committee name. Let's say Enactus. Enactus is added, I think. Let me just show. Let's say IRSL. IRSL, the president email. Let's say Suyog is the president, and the description is a committee for nothing. Just a committee for testing. Then the type would be, let's say, esports, and let me just upload a random image. So add committee. As you can see, the committee is added with the president's email, and also it's the type of work is assigned. You can delete whatever committee you want. Let's say I've just added this for testing, so I can just delete it. Now, in here, it's the approve part, but I will just get back to this. So first of all, you can also add a committee member. Let's say you want to add a member for some committee. You can add it through here. Now, whatever member is added in here will be shown first here. Like you can just add a member and it would directly be added. The president has to approve that that member is genuine. Then only the member would be shown in this list. Uh, like uh, this is also the general process of adding a user or a community. Now let's come on to a rooms part. Now what this rooms part is, So all of the floors have multiple rooms. Like I can just add a room number, let's say 356, no, 304. The capacity, let's say 46 or something, and it's a classroom, let's say. And I will add a room. Now, as you can see, the 304 room has been created. If I go to 108 room, like any of this room, you can just add whatever event, let's say some ISCs has been scheduled on this day, or some cultural fest has been scheduled on this day. And also all of the event which are created from this panel would be automatically added here. But currently, as there are no events, it's not added. Like you can add all of the events in the 304 also, so that the president knows that there is an event or something happening through which he will not be able to host a hackathon or an event on that day. Now, this is for adding room. Like you can add n number of rooms, all of the rooms available in the college, and you will be able to add the timetable here. Now, let's move on to a main thing, that is an event. So, as a president, what I will be able to do is I will be able to add an event. Let's just add an event. Let's say event name something like some technical fest. The committee's name is Oculus. Like that's the main committee in our college that hosts hackathons and all. Let's say the category is technical, and I'll just drop a banner, random banner, and then the start date. Now I have to give the start date and the start time of our event. Let's say I'm just giving random. Now, if I enter a end date, let's say I give 19. As you can see, I'm being shown this thing. What this is? The available labs and the number of available classrooms present in this time frame for me to host the event. As you can see, there are one lab present and two classrooms. So let's say I just have a requirement of one lab and one classroom and zero hall. Like it doesn't matter. So let me just add this also. The event adds here, ends here, and if I want to add something about the hackathon, like something about the hackathon, I'm just adding something random totally, and I can just create an event. Now, as you can see, the event is created, a technical fest, and it is showing pending here. Because why it's showing pending? Because also on clicking the uh, all of the things about the event is shown. Also, why is it pending? Because the dean of the academics or the mentor has not approved this, right? So for that, what I would have to do, I would have to log in as a uh, like as a mentor or a dean of academic in order to approve this. So as you can see now, this is for members approval. Let's just log out. Let's just go to our admin panel, and let me just, yeah, now as you can see, I've logged out. That's why it's showing this. Now I can log in through president's email. President's, no, I think I would have to log in. Yeah, what was that? 23, I guess. Yeah, I'm logged in using a Dean of Academic or something, I think so. Yeah, Dean of Academics. I'm logged in using Dean of Academics, like which we have just created. Now, what Dean of Academics can do is he can approve events. Like he can also add committees and all. He can also add members as he's the big guy. But up, except that also he can approve. As you can see, all of the pending things were shown there, right? Now he can approve or reject whatever the things, whatever he wants to do. Let's say if I think, what is this? Like, should I approve this or not? Or should I host a meeting with uh, the concerned faculties? Now I will just click on the schedule meet. Now, as you can see, meeting created successfully. Now, if I go here, a new meeting is added. Now, let me just explain to you what this meeting feature is. So, this was something, let's say I click on start meeting. I'll just show you this. This is a separate project, by the way. Like we just integrated in this to showcase how we can improve it and how we can make it more flexible. Now I can just turn on my camera. I can scribble on this. I can also share my screen. I can upload files. There is also a code editor, but this is a separate project. But we wanted to just give little bit of how the meetings would be held. So let me just close this and yeah, let's go move on to approve. So I can just reject or approve whatever the things I want. So if I approve this, let me just click on here. I have approved this event and it would be approved. Like I think I forgot to add a pop-up here, but yeah, it's approved. And then yep, as you can see in the events, this is approved. Like everything else is pending, but this event has been approved by the dean of academy or whatever. So I think that covers almost everything. Hmm. Yeah, that covers everything. Thank you.